Good morning, dear students and participants. I am Vinod Magadum, lecturer in economics, KLE's GI Bagewadi College, Nippani. I welcome you all to online YouTube class. Today we will be discussing about modern marketing management syllabus. As you all are students of BCom learning in second semester, and there is a paper among the other hard course. The one of the hardcore paper is modern marketing management. I deal with this particular paper. I hope during the COVID 19 lockdown period, such YouTube videos and online meeting will help you to enrich your knowledge side by side, covering the syllabus for attempting the semester end examination. With this, I welcome you all once to the online YouTube class. Students, paper 2.5 is modern marketing management. There will be 4 hours lecture per week with the paper objective is to familiarize the students with the concepts and dimensions and various trends in modern marketing practices. I recall the previous semester subject paper that we have studied was market behavior and cost analysis, and you have attempted semester end examination. We have went through discussing all the chapters one by one, and thereby we have also collected fair notes along with at the end expected questions, that is for the sake of preparation of examination. Similarly, we go through discussing the syllabus first, then discussion of each chapters and collection of the notes. We attempt certain exercises, we learn to solve certain cases, problems, and then we go through having expected questions for the preparation of semester end examination. Therefore, please spare your valuable time to watch this video and forthcoming videos completely so that you can understand better for knowledge and examination purpose. Students, unit number 1, is about the introduction to the marketing, whereby we learn the meaning and definition of marketing, marketing management. We learn about the evolution of marketing, marketing philosophies, various concepts of marketing, various functions of marketing, the relevant importances of marketing. We learn about the marketing mix. We study customer relationship management, job opportunities in the marketing field. Moreover, what are the ethics in marketing field? Dear students, we try to consume of around 10 periods to discuss unit number 1, that is introduction to marketing. I ask you to write down this syllabus in the fair copy. Take a screenshot of this slide and go through writing in the fair book. With your request, if there is a need, then I will supply PDF of this particular syllabus related slides. The very next unit is marketing environment and buyer behavior, where this unit teaches us the types of environments: demographic, economic, natural, political, legal, and socio-cultural environments. It helps us to understand market segmentation, meaning and definition, the basis of market segmentation, buyers' behavior, what factors influences over consumer behavior, buying decision process. Here we will be spent of around 10 periods to discuss this second chapter, marketing environment and buyer behavior. Make a note of this also. Unit number 3 is marketing mix, under which we learn meaning and elements of marketing mix. We learn about product, product mix, product line, product life cycle, product planning, new product development. It enables us to understand what is pricing, what are the different factors influences over the pricing, what are the methods of pricing. There we learn in brief the meaning, then the pricing policy. We learn physical distribution, meaning factors affecting channels of distribution. We learn types of marketing channels, promotion, its meaning and significances of promotion. Finally, we learn personal selling and advertising. In this unit, we spare of around 10 periods for the discussion. Make a note of it. Unit number 4 is about recent developments in marketing, where we learn the introduction. There we study what are the recent developments, particularly in marketing. There we can observe and understand online marketing, direct marketing, social marketing, green marketing, grain marketing, mobile marketing, market forces, e-business domain, marketing in digital age, challenges and suitability of digital marketing in India. We spend of around 10 periods to discuss this fourth chapter. Make a note of it. And the final chapter, unit number 5, is services marketing. We learn meaning, nature, and characteristics of services, the different types of services, the reasons for growth of Indian service scenario, services marketing, the difference between products marketing and service marketing, services gap model, very interesting 7 P's, that is product, price, promotion, etc. of services marketing. We learn changing women's role in services marketing, and there we learn what are the challenges of services marketing. Of around 10 periods we spare to discuss chapter number 5, that is services marketing. Make a note of it. Dear students, your second semester online classes started during the lockdown period, and I think you are, including me, are unable to collect particular paper textbooks from the library. Therefore, we are meant to access the available e-resources. You can visit different websites to take knowledge, and moreover, if you are kind enough blessed by your elders nearby to your street or home, you can approach them to give those textbooks related to marketing management. And don't worry, I will provide you all the e-resources, videos, video links, discussions over the Zoom meeting or Google Meet, as well as I will send you the PDF notes so that you can read better for better understanding. But only the thing is, we are far from each other by physical, but mentally we are ready to learn. That is what I am expecting. You people are there in your home. We are in a position to learn through online, and this is what we can make best use of the e-resources. I will send you the PDF notes and all. Just go through, making note of it, writing it neatly in the fair book. Try to understand those all things. If any queries, you can make a direct call to me to get the clarification. With this, in this slide, you can observe the reference books. Okay, make a note of it. Today's class is about the syllabus of modern marketing management. I suggest you to write down this syllabus in the textbook, so that be ready to collect the notes, listen the videos, make the discussions through online meeting. Okay, with this I conclude, wind up this video. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned with the timetable. Stay in home, stay safe. All the best.